back on my YouTube channel. I'm going to take you through information security. Also, information security can be written as InfoSec. So, what is information security? Information security refers to all measures taken to prevent unauthorized use of electronic data. So, includes unauthorized use includes alteration and destruction, among others, of the data concerned. So that is information security. All the measures taken to prevent unauthorized use of electronic data. So what is computer security? The protection afforded to an automated information system in order to attain the applicable objectives of preserving integrity, availability, and confidentiality of information system resources. For example, hardware, software. Not only hardware and software, but also firmware, data, and telecommunication. So we are going to look in details integrity, availability, and confidentiality. So what is telecommunication? You can say telecommunication is the communication at a distance. So I'm going to take you through the CIA trades. So what are the CIA trades? We have C stands for confidentiality, I stands for integrity, A stands for availability, and all in all, we are dealing with data and service. So CIA means 3. Okay. So what is confidentiality? Is the concealment of data from unauthorized parties. Concealment means hiding away data, okay, or any information. So if confidentiality, if you see something confidential, what comes in your mind? It means that others should not understand apart from parties involved in that transaction. For example, say I am drafting a letter to my friend, and if I mention that is confidential, this means it should be known to me and my friend, right? These two parties are legitimate, okay? Parties involved in the transaction. Now, if any anonymous person receives this letter or a message and sees the message and all the content which is there in the transaction, therefore, there will be loss of privacy. Therefore, it means confidentiality is protecting data to be transmitted. If encrypted, obviously provides confidentiality, since it is a scrambled text. No one else should be able to understand what the message is being transmitted between the sender and the receiver. This is exactly confidentiality. The second key element is integrity, which is assurance that data is genuine. Okay? Let me give you the example of this. Send is equal to receive. Whatever sender is sending, the same message receiver should receive. For example, if you are performing a banking transaction of 10,000 shillings, obviously the transaction should only involve 10,000 shillings. What if attacker modifies it as 100,000? Therefore, integrity means we need to ensure that no modification of the message that is being transmitted. What sender is receiving is only what receiver should receive. And if there is any modification of the message being transmitted, the system should be able to find out and should discard that message. Okay? Discard means like deleting. Okay? The third key element is availability. We need to ensure timely, reliable access to the system. For example, if you are searching from google.com If you search now, it will work. If you search after 1 hour, it will still work. If you search after 10 days, it will work, because you trust that Google server. It will always be available. Like, a system still functions efficiently after security provisions are in place. So thank you so much for watching my tutorial. Please subscribe.